Hi, Sage.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. I'm nervous.
Nervous? What are you nervous about?
To go skydiving and jump out of a plane.
But you have the safest instructor in the world.
Yeah,
That's got to make you feel better, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Anything to say to all your friends and family and random viewers out there?
Try it, I guess.
Is this the memorial video?
What? Sorry, memorial video?
Memorial video?
I think so. Well, Sage, we got some blue skies and an airplane that's on its way, so let's go have some fun.
Windmill for the land, I'm forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride, it is taking rolling down. Love forever, love is free, let's turn forever, you and me. Windmill for the land, is everybody in.
Hi, Sage. Hi. We're about halfway there.
Awesome.
How you feel?
Really nervous.
Really nervous?
Yeah.
That's not a bad thing. It's a natural instinct.
Yeah.
We'd be nervous if you were nervous. It's true. At least one of us is nervous.
Good.
So, if we get separated up there, I just want you to know that I'm going to be okay because I'm wearing a parachute.
Awesome.
Okay, so don't worry about me.
Great, I won't.
Thanks.
The most important thing is have a good time.
Yeah.
Before we make you do it again.
Laughing gas, these hazmats, fast cats, lining them up like ass crack. Ladies, ponies at the track, it's my chocolate attack. Shit, I'm stepping in harder this year. Yeah, bear repping in harder this year. Watch me as I gravitate. Ha 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 ha. Yo, we gon' ghost town, this Motown with your sound. You in the blink, gon' bite the dust, can't fight with us. With your sound, you kill the ink, so don't stop, get it, until you cherry hit it. Watch the way I navigate. Windmill for the land, I'm forever hand in hand. Take it all out on your stride, it is taking rolling down. Love forever, love is
free.
Oh, thank you. That was amazing. Woo!
Yeah, for a skydive. Thanks, Jimmy. Good job.
Yeah,
Hey,
thank